if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
What you would call it?
Lining up bolts with holes.
I don't know.
Rolling.
Yeah, I don't know what you'd call this video. A lot of these builds, the holes don't line up on a lot of them, and some of them are just way out. You can see
Yeah,
this. I've
let's
got
see
3
here.
bolts started here. They're loose, and this one, if you shoot it from the top, you can't even see that anywhere.
Yep.
It's not. You don't even. So on this one, you just kind of find yourself an anchor point. So on this one, I put some tape around here so I don't scratch my nice paint job. And then I'm just going to take the bolt and I'm going to just put some pressure on this. And just bend that over there, hold it, and get my bolt started. And then you can, so anywhere you can get some leverage, just put some tape on so you don't damage your paint. And
some
bend
muscle.
away.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.